Morning students. Today we are going to study in your this last one chapter, this one 16th one, preparation for algebra. Already we have started one exercise, remain problem set 56. Using letters. Symbols and letters are used in mathematical writing. These make this writing short and simple. For example, using symbols, 20 multiplied by 5 gives the product is 100, can be written in short as, see here, 20 multiplied by 5, 20 multiplied by 5, and you is this product of this 100. Means in words given, and you write here only symbols and letters. The perimeter of a rectangle is the sum of the twice of length and twice the breadth. See here, the perimeter of a rectangle is sum of this twice the length. Twice the length means 2l, and twice the breadth means 2b. Sum of this perimeter of this, twice of this length and twice of this breadth. This statement can be written easier by the use of these letters. Use the letters here L and B. L means length and B means breadth. Respectively, this perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2L plus 2B. Then problem set 56. Use a letter for any number and write the following properties in short. The sum of any number and 0 is the number itself. You use here letters. The sum of any number. First one, the sum of any number. Sum of any number and 0 is the number itself. Is the number itself. If the sum of any number you take here, suppose a and 0 is the number itself, means that number only. A plus 0 is equal to a. Second one, the product of any two numbers. The product of any two numbers. Product of these any two numbers and the product obtaining after changing the order of those numbers. After changing the order of those numbers is the same. Those numbers is the same. See here, the product of any two numbers. You take here, suppose any two numbers A and B. Product of these any two numbers, the product obtained after changing. This order of these numbers B into A in the same. See here, A into B is equal to B into A. One example also write. Here also example write. Suppose 7 plus 0 is equal to only that number. Then here 3 into 2, 3 to the 6. Then you change this, 2 into 3. Answer is same. 3 to the 6, 2 into 3. 2 3 the 6. Then third one. The product of any number. The product of any number and 0 is 0 and 0 is 0. The product of any number, you see here, the product of any number and 0 is 0. Suppose here 1 into 0. this product of any number into 0 is equal to answer 0. Then example take, suppose 11 into 0, any number and 0 answer is always 0. Then next one property, right? Fourth one, the sum of the difference of any number and 0 is the number itself, See here, the difference of any number and 0. Suppose you take here any number a minus 0 is equal to answer only the number itself a. Example 7 minus 0 is equal to 7. 11 minus 0 is equal to 11. Means the difference of this any number and 0 is the number itself. Next one, fifth one, the division of any number, division of this any number and 0 is 0 See here, the division of this any number and 0. Suppose here 17 take first one letter x divided by 0, any number divided by this 0, answer is always 0. 17 divided 0. Suppose 5 divided 0 is equal to answer 0. Then next one, in this problem set 56, again one question is remain. See here, write the following properties in words. Here properties is given and this properties you write in words. Suppose here m minus 0 is equal to m minus 0 is equal to m. Then you write here the difference of any number. See this one. The difference of this any number and 0 is the number itself. Then next one, see, n divided 1 is equal to n. n divided 1 is equal to n. The quotient of this any number, divided by 1 is the number itself. This quotient of this any number divided by 1 and this is the number is itself. Means here this chapter algebra, this chapter problem set 56 also completed. Then in homework you complete this problem set 56. Okay, bye.